Hi guys, what's up? This is me Ayush from the Edit Table, and I'm going to teach you how to make this whale into a flying whale in the sky. You can do it for anything else. So let's start. I started by selecting the quick selection tool, which is on your left, and then I selected and I got it into this picture of mine that I chose. You can choose a different one. You can choose a different character too. So after this, what I do is I quick select. I again use the quick selection tool on the layer which I have just got my whale in, and I am going to separate the different objects in the picture. So by doing this, I can actually get in a more dimensional picture, which I am hoping to do to make it look more convincing. So now what I do is I go to the camera raw to make the whale look more realistic according to the background. You can play around with this and you can get whatever you want, but if you haven't got the what you wanted, you can always use the brush tool, select another layer, select eye on the surrounding and press the surrounding color, press the B button and smudge it all over the character that is the alien character or the whale in this case, just to make it look more realistic and for the sake of blending it in more. Then you have to realize that you have to work on the actual uh, subject, which is the whale. You press the clone tool and you clone an area of the whale, and you keep uh, cloning that area all around the textures so that you can get a perfect uniformity. Then what I do is I select another layer, and in just for making clouds, what I do is I go to the filter tab and I go to the render option, and then I select clouds. I resize the clouds and I blend it in with a soft light, and I do the same for the whale. I'm selecting the brush tool and I paint it all black. I blend it in with a soft tone and I play with the opacity. After that, I make another layer and I make several layers of the cloud that is actually surrounding the whale, because whale is in motion, and if you use your common sense, you would actually know that if you are moving through any gaseous form or any haze, you'll find that the gas or that the layer of gas will actually hit you and go behind you as per physics. So this is the same thing that I'm doing. I will just use as much as of it as possible to make it look more realistic so that it can blend in. And this is exactly what I do, but I make sure that I use several layers to do this, because if you want to change something in one layer, it doesn't have to depend on something that you've done already before. So this is the final look on how it stands, and I go to the camera raw and I make a few major adjustments which will make the overall picture look as if it was taken like a simple picture. This is the final result. You can make swift adjustments by going to the opacities and making further adjustments as per your convenience. You use the eraser tool to erase anything that you want. You can also adjust the opacity of the eraser, and of which finally you will get something like this. Thank you. This is Ayush from the Edit Table. If you have any requests on what you want, you can leave it in the comment section. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.